Hey everybody, Chris.Buystedt at Guaranty RV. I'm going to take a few minutes just to present to you a really awesome trailer. It's made by Coachmen. It's the Apex Nano. This series is very lightweight and easy to tow, under 5,000 fully loaded. This one here is the 191 RBS, which stands for rear bath with a slide. I think you're going to really like the floor plan in this. Come on in and check it out. It's always great when you can find a little short trailer about 20 feet or so that's lightweight, that has everything you really need and isn't short on space. That's this one for you. You'll notice you got a nice shower and tub, really nice little sink, medicine cabinet and toilet. There's some extra storage for your linen closet. Nice fan up in there, really nice bathroom, and you can actually sit on the toilet and close the door, which is kind of cool. It's got a great kitchen. A lot of good storage up overhead, a lot of places for food. Cabinets down below as well. Nice double sink. 2-burner cook stove and a microwave convection oven. This actually roasts, which is pretty cool. Nice fridge and freezer as well. All of this, you can be cooking a wonderful dinner for your family and serving them right here at this dinette. Seats 4 people very comfortably, and it also drops down so you can sleep a kid or two. That's pretty nice in a little trailer, being able to sleep the whole family. And look at this, a nice walk around bed. Totally adequate shirt closets where you can hang everything. You got lots of room up overhead. Everybody really likes the fact that you have a window in the front, which is nice. It brings extra light and visibility in. At nighttime, it's an added security. You can poke your head out the window. If you see something going on or hear something, you can see what's happening without getting out of bed. Look at this. Nice big storage up underneath here too as well. So it's pretty cool. This trailer, although it is very small and lightweight, there's a lot of room for storage, and you can go camping for a week in this thing and have a blast. I would love to sell one of these to you or show you several of the other floor plans that we have. I'm sure we have the right one for your family. My name is Chris.Buystedt. Give me a call at 541-636-7878.